Hey guys, if you got one of our titanium or steel bands, you may need to remove some of the links so it fits your wrist comfortably. And today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to remove the links. So first, if we open up the box, we're going to remove our metal tool. And then underneath everything is our instruction card. We're going to be referencing this throughout the video. And of course, our metal bands. One thing to remember when removing links, these top three are tapered and have a different size than the rest, so don't remove any of the top three from the lug. And also, remove an equal amount from each part of the band, so when we put it together, it fits evenly on your wrist. So let's go ahead and get started. Step 1. Line up the hole on the link you want to remove with the pin on the tool. Don't remove the first three links attaching to the lug. These links have a unique shape and must stay in place. Make sure your watch band is level on the tool. Step 2. Turn the wheel clockwise to move the needle into the link pin hole. Continue turning the wheel until the needle is fully inserted into the link. The pin will be exposed on the opposite side of the tool. Remove the pin by hand. Step 3. Turn the wheel counterclockwise to remove the needle from the link hole. Step 4. The links are no longer attached. Separate the band and be careful to set aside the small tube that remains in the center of the link you have just exposed. It will be used later to reassemble the band. Go ahead and repeat those steps for however many times is necessary until you get the desired length on your band. Once you have the band at the proper length, we're going to go ahead and reattach these two halves. Step 1. To reattach the links in your metal band, first insert the small tube into the center link. Then, line up the two halves of the band so they fit into each other. Finally, insert the pin through the links as far as you can by hand. Step 2. Turn the wheel counterclockwise until there is enough room to put the silver cap over the needle. With the pin inserted, lay your band level on the tool. Line the cap up with the pin and turn the wheel clockwise to push the pin back into the link. Stop when the cap is nearly flush with the link, taking care not to push the cap into the link. Step 3. Remove the cap and use your needle to push the pin into the link and achieve your desired look. We hope that this video helped you. If it did, drop a comment down below on what band you got, either titanium or steel. Don't forget to like this video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe for all things Nomad. Thanks guys.